Hello, good day to every one of us nationwide and worldwide. Good morning, Baghdad. Good morning, Iraq. So now, sisisi na kasi. As of what I'm telling, go to the school na, and now I start cleaning na to the balcony. Okay? And this one, we put this one in the balcony, chair if they have guests or if their family observe or the friends observe. Okay, ayan. Dito yan nilagay muna. We put only this one inside because the dusting, it will become brown. It's very hard pa naman yan to wash, I don't know. Oh, look. Oh, andyan pa yung puro kalat ko. Oh, ayan yung kitchen ko. Oh, ayan. Kaya kailangan ko pang magano. And this one is our Christmas tree. Last night when I go to Baghdad Mall, ayan, we buy. You can go to the Baghdad Mall, you can buy mga Christian people here in Baghdad that you have make decoration to your Christmas tree. Okay, you can go there and visit and buy what you want. This one. Ayan. Happy holiday. Pang nakalagay. Sa wakas, last year, na-finish na lang yung Christmas. Our Christmas tree is no more stars. Sa wakas, now we have already stars. Okay? And this one is 3 years na yung Christmas tree namin. Kasi 3 years in the another unit. And now is almost 1 year na sa almost 4 years na. The hadiah, when we take dinner, later for sisi. Ayan. And this one for sisi. For him make drawing, she do everything that you want, she write or she practice. So later that one, I put that one in the door. No more na kalat. Okay, ayan. Okay. And also, madam, she has this one in her work. See, very nice. It's very good by this one. You give this one gift or hadiah to you like this one. There is already flower base. Diretso na para hindi na maglagay-lagay pa sa sa flower base ni madam. And to fix pa. You see, very nice yan. Pag this one will be removed na, wala na yan. And then this one also, I don't know, sometimes it's work, but sometimes it's no. Okay, look. It's very, very nice, It's very, very nice. Mag-clean pa pala ako sa sa water doon sa flower base ni Madam Masin tayo. Na-blue na yung color. I put this one outside. In the kitchen. Later I change this one when I finish the balcony. Okay? Para siya. Ayan ang color violet na. I told you. Almost 1 week na yan. May water or no water is almost 1 week. It's finished. It's nice to see like this one. Yung blue, yung violet, I don't know what happened to that one. The color is changed already. Okay, thank you again. Thank you for watching. And this one is the yesterday what's that? Our popcorn. Popcorn and chips. Okay, thank you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you to subscribe us. And shout out to all nationwide and worldwide, to all subscriber of mine. And I wish you support me for my hadiah in Christmas to support my YouTube channel, all videos of my Simply Video here in Baghdad, Iraq. Again, thank you very much talaga. Thank you. I'm very thankful that you support my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you. Keep safe and God bless us all. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Mga sweet ni Madam until now. Siya yung gawa. Okay? Yela, have a nice day to all of us, worldwide and nationwide. Good night, good morning, magandang tanghali. Peaceful sa bawat countries, mga problema magiging okay. Thank you, bye.